G'day guys, Pat here from Speedywash Australia. I'm coming to you from a customer's location where we've just finished completing the commissioning process for our 2020 Speedywash Alliance fully automated chassis, wheel and underbody wash system. This system's been delivered to a customer who has an environmental requirement to fully automate the process of removing soil, contaminants and site materials from the vehicles prior to leaving site going onto the public roads. This system comes with a fully automated water reclaim and recycle system also, capable of handling up to 70,000 litres per hour. One of the most robust systems in the market. This system is built behind me as an in-ground permanent asset. However, you can take delivery of your machine above ground, fully relocatable with ramps. I'm going to demonstrate this system now with my light vehicle, but that's just an example of the flexibility that the Alliance model can give you. Light vehicles, Hiluxes, Fords, right up to 12-ton quad dog or even road trains. This system is versatile, it's robust and suitable for any location, including mines, quarries, construction sites, in fact, anywhere where you have a responsibility to remove muds, contaminants from your vehicle. Thanks very much. I hope you enjoy the video. Give me a couple seconds to get back to the car. Thank you. There you go guys, fast, efficient and highly effective. If you have a requirement, if you have a need, or you just want to have a quick chat about your requirements, give me a call. My name's Pat, 1300 880 780, or you can get us at www.speedywash.com.au. Thanks very much.